What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It has been a while. I am going on vacation in a few days, so it's time for me to tackle my hair. So it is a hair vlog. If you like these type of videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And also, if you want to see all the vlogs from my vacation, click that bell button, girl. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. To detangle, I'm just gonna use this. This is the Moisture Miracle from African Pride.
I grew up and I'm bitter. 0 out of 3 now. Thought that I'd be quicker, but I'm heading out that way for sure. Said that you'd be waiting, and now it's been too long. Been too long. I wish that we could turn back time, back to all of those nights when I knew you were mine. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters.
So I'm back. I am now gonna like dye my hair, but first I think I'm gonna make both of them, just in case I run out, then I can just quickly move over to the next one. So let's just quickly make these. Okay, and both of the bottles are pretty black now, so I'm just gonna grab one. To blow dry my hair. Oh my god, it is super black. I love it. Okay, so to blow dry my hair, I'm using my Moroccan oil from my local beauty supply store or local drugstore. Let me take off this rope, by the way. Let me just take my denim brush and just detangle the section.
5, 6, 7, 8, dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I missed you.
So my hair is now completely blow dried. Oh my god, my hair is getting so long. I'm so happy about it. Yes. Yeah, so now it's time to braid all of this up. So let's go.
don't know what we have to do.
Okay, amiga, so I already made a quick little start. I started off by putting my hair in the back in braids. For that I just use like rubber bands because I'm doing the rubber band method. I already did a video that is similar to this, I think last year, I'm not sure. I'll make sure to link that right up here or here. I don't know exactly, but I'll make sure to put it in the little eye. So if you want to check that, then go ahead and do so because I'm doing the exact same method. But what I'm gonna do now, the back was, by the way, it was a struggle. Oh my god, it was a struggle. So it's not straight at all. My parts are crazy looking probably. Here and there I even parted it with my finger. So it's not the best, but like just try to do the best that you can if you're interested in doing this hairstyle. But now I'm just gonna do the front. I'm just gonna part it and try to make it as even as possible because in the front you will be able to see it better. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And for that I'm just using a rat tail comb, and I also have another comb. Like literally everything that I have on the house I used to make it as straight as possible. So that's good. And then what I do is I part up a little section like this. Let me see. I think I'm gonna make this 2. Yes. And then what I'm doing is I'm applying some of my Showtime hair wax. Applying some of that to the back of my hand. And then going in to the section, making sure that it's properly moisturized. You know what I mean. And then I go in with one of the little rubber bands and I just make like a little ponytail or whatever. I just tie it together, whatever. Not too tight because my edges need to survive this. And then I do the same with the other sections. So now my whole, wait up. I'm watching Pretty Little Liars while I'm doing this because it is taking forever. So make sure you put on a Netflix show or whatever that you like to watch because this is very time consuming. But I'm happy that when I'm on vacation, I won't have to be thinking about my hair, about doing it, about styling it, about none of that. So it is worth it in the end, I hope. But now I'm just gonna start braiding my hair. For that, I'm gonna use this hair. It is the Dream Hair Jumbo Braids top quality hair. Nothing really special, just normal regular braiding hair. And I bought 9 packs because I did not want to run out of hair. I know that I don't have time for that. If that happens, then I'm gonna be so annoyed. So I bought 9 packs. So I got like a few done, quite a few actually. And now I'm just reaching the top. I've done this in about an hour, so that is pretty good. But now I'm just gonna move on with the next section. Take some hair for that. So what I do is just I wrap the hair around it, around the rubber band, and then I just continue to braid like this. Where your own hair like gets into the braid, you can just start like borrowing from the other sections, or at least that's how I know how to do it. So that's basically what I'm doing.
Someone's gotta change. Someone's gotta change. Sitting thinking in my car, I don't know what we should do. If I never opened up my heart, if I never opened up my door. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. If I never, yeah, 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 that's it. If I never opened up, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Completely forgot to end the vlog, this hair vlog, but we are already in Sue, as you have probably seen by the footage. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. From Paramaribo Sue, I would like to say Tambong. Until next time. Mwah.
Someone's gotta change.